I'm 33 years old. I'm going to Ibiza for 3 days, 2 nights, and I haven't been clubbing in years, you guys. This dress is from Reformation. I forgot the name, but I'll leave it below like I always do. Even though we're going to Pacha, we did get VIP tickets, so I feel like the YSL bag is fine to bring. Good morning from IBIZA. Hola. We're packing for Ibiza. I leave tomorrow morning and we're going for 3 days, 2 nights, just a quick little stint to see a show. And I'm gonna show you guys some of the outfits that I'm planning on wearing. This dress is from Reformation. I forgot the name, but I'll leave it below like I always do. And I paired it with my like fake roe jellies. I didn't know if I was gonna like the look of something a little more like prairie style with the jellies, but I kind of do. It's like a fun pop of color. And I feel like this dress does give Ibiza Spanish island vibes. It can go either way. And then I have my mango bag, tried and true. Like, this thing can get destroyed, this thing can get roughed around. I don't care. I think this is so cute for dinner. We're not going out every night, so I thought this would be a great dress to bring. And I haven't worn it yet, so need an excuse to wear it. We're gonna try to get into Jonal, which is a beach club. It's a little bit more formal, but relaxed. So I thought this mauve dress would be a perfect swimsuit cover-up. You can also wear it to dinner, technically. It's really flattering, it's super comfortable, and the detailing is, it's not the easiest thing to pack, so that's why I didn't bring it to Mallorca, because it takes up a lot of space. But I think this will be perfect. And then surprisingly, it also goes with the roe jelly flats. So I feel like I've been holding out on the jelly flats. Like, I dig this together. I cannot find my matching shorts, but I always bring a matching set, usually for the plane or errands or just like something to lounge in. It's the breezy set, super comfortable and easy. I'm probably just gonna wear them with sneakers. And I bought these sneakers. I know. These are the Puma Palermas in pink for my Pacha club outfit, which will be coming up because someone stepped on my toe, and I cannot wear sandals. I can't wear an unsupportive shoe because my foot hurts, and then I also pulled something in my glutes, in my hip, in a workout class a month ago. It's doing a lot better, but I just need supportive shoes. So when thinking about my club outfit, I wanted something that was fun, that was bright, that felt very Ibiza, but without an expensive price tag. I knew I didn't want to wear sequins or anything that was going to be heavy or jingly or whichever. Like, I didn't want to irritate me. I wanted to be comfortable. And this is pretty much like wearing pajamas is what I would consider it. It's a linen scarf from Mango, which I've tied right now. Not probably how I would wear it. I think the cowl is probably a little too free, and I might do just like a high neck. These are shorts I got from H&M for literally £8 on sale. They're these like knit yellow. They're not super tight on your body. They're very, very comfortable. Even though we're going to Pacha, we did get VIP tickets, so I feel like the YSL bag is fine to bring. And then I'm gonna be wearing my pink sneakers, as you guys know from my riveting toe stepping story. And they're super comfortable. I've already tried those out. They're gonna be amazing. And I was like, perfect. Can't have a bad night when you're comfortable. I'm 33 years old. I'm going to Ibiza for 3 days, 2 nights, and I haven't been clubbing in years, you guys. And I'm like a homebody. Like, I love to sleep. I love to go to sleep early. I love to wake up early. I like to hit the gym, exercise. Like, I love to feel my best. So I'm actually not gonna be drinking on this trip, which I know sounds crazy. I'm gonna stick with my usual supplement routine. I've done a video on this before. Nothing too out of the ordinary, just like multivitamin, fish oil, turmeric. I take an adrenal supplement, which is especially helpful when your body is under stress. And then I'm also bringing the Immune Support Beekeeper's Naturals throat spray. This is amazing if you're someone like me who is really sensitive to smoke. So cigarettes, vape pens, weed, like, I don't care that people do that, but like when it's directly in my face and I'm like inhaling it, it's the worst. And my throat just goes into overdrive, like scratchy, sore. It's even like kind of feeling that way right now. So I love to use that. And then I have some supplements outside of my usual, just like things that I usually would take on special occasions or if I'm like down bad. Liposomal glutathione. This one's from Symbiotica. It's very expensive in the UK. In the US, it's a little bit better. There's definitely alternatives. I like the taste of this one. It kind of has this like orange, it says citrus berry, but I'm like, it kind of tastes like an orange peel. It says to have 20 minutes on empty stomach before food, so I like to take it in the morning. This is a great antioxidant supplement, so really good for skin, hair, nails. I feel like after I take this, just so much more glowing and alert. Also, electrolytes, game changer. It's gonna be 90+ degrees there every day, all day. But this is the unflavored from Element. Their flavored ones have a bunch of like natural flavors. They taste amazing. But I was like, all right, I'll try this unflavored one. And dare I say, I don't like it as much because it's not flavored. We're going to an early dinner. Please come along. No makeup because we're gonna go out tonight, so I need to redo it anyway. Good morning from my base. It is currently 11 a.m. I didn't even drink last night and I feel hungover from lack of sleep. So Austin and I are gonna go get some matcha. There's a matcha place called Matcha House. I'm gonna wash my face again. Mascara, dude. And then we're gonna go to breakfast. Yeah. And I do have some work to do today. So we're gonna maybe go to a co-working space. There's like so many of them around the island, and check that out.